In this class we can study about shapes of the short run cost curve. Okay, last class we studied about this total variable cost, total cost, average fixed cost, and all these cost. Okay, now we can study about the shapes of the cost curve. Okay, here you can see the total fixed cost. Okay, this is the total fixed cost. We can see a straight line. What is the reason for that one? Because here total fixed cost is same. It is 20 only. When production is 0 also 20. When production is 1 also 20. When production is 2 also 20. When production is 4 also 20. When it is 6 also 20. When it is 8 also 20. Because of that one, total fixed cost curve is a straight line. Okay. Then we know that one is a fixed factor. Okay, that reason this cost is a straight line. It is fixed. Okay. In the case of total variable cost, we know this total variable cost. What is here we can see first it is 0. After that it is 10. Then it is 18. It is increasing. Okay, because we know one factor we are varying. That time it is normally when production increasing, that time we will increase the variable factor also. Okay, here it is 24, here it is 29, here it is 33. Like that we are increasing the factors. That reason this curve is increasing curve. Okay, its slope is upward sloping. Okay, then here you can see total variable cost is increasing and total fixed cost is a straight line, and total cost is the vertical sum of the total fixed cost and total variable cost. We know here this, when we are adding these two, we will get the total cost. Okay, when we are adding 20 and 10, we will get the cost. Okay, we can see that one. When we are adding these values 20 and 10, we will get the total cost. Okay, then here also 20 plus 18 we will get 38. 20 plus 24 it is 44. That reason total cost is a summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Okay, here we can see another one cost curve. Okay, then total fixed cost is a, however it is independent of the amount of output. Okay, means it's not related to increase in the output. In variable cost only that change will come when an increase in the output will lead to total variable cost also will increase. Okay. Next one is average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is a rectangular hyperbola. The area of the rectangle, we know this is the area of the rectangle. That one is OFCQ1, gives us the total fixed cost. Okay, this is the average fixed cost. See here in this table we have average fixed cost. It is 20, 10, 6.7 and 5, 4, 3.3. First it is increasing. Sorry, first it is 20, 10 like that. It's decreasing. Then after that also it's reaching 5, 4. Then it's reaching to 2. That reason it is a rectangular hyperbola. Okay, then next one. Then how we will get the average total fixed cost? Average fixed cost into quantity, we will get the total fixed cost. Okay, then we know the shape of the total fixed cost. This one is a, what is the reason? It is a horizontal straight line because the values are same. We are not varying the values. When production increasing, that time value, so total fixed cost is same. That reason it is a horizontal straight line. Okay, what is the equation? Average fixed cost equal to total fixed cost divided by quantity. Okay, now this is the shape of the average variable cost. This average variable cost, the area of, here is the area of rectangle OVBQ0 gives us the total variable cost at Q0. Okay, here a certain point it decreases, after that it is increasing. Okay, this means initially to produce every extra unit of output, the requirement of factory is less, and then after certain point it becomes more or it becomes greater. Okay, that reason initially this is falling and after a stage it is increasing. Same like that only SMC also, means what is SMC? Short run marginal cost curve. Okay, then that one also same. First 30, then it is here it is 10, 8, 6, 5, then after it decreases up to 4 and it's increasing like 6, 8, 13, 15, 20 like that. Same like that only this short run average cost curve also. First it is 30, then it is 19, 14, 12, 10, 9, then it's starting to increase. That reason it is in the shape of U. Okay, then this is in ABC and SMC curve are in the shape of U. Okay, it's U shaped. Okay, here then once SMC has risen sufficiently, the value becomes greater than the value of average variable cost, then the average variable cost start rising, the ABC curve cut, therefore it is U-shaped. Okay, then we need to understand one thing, SMC and ABC curves are in U-shape. Okay, as long as ABC falling, SMC must be less than the ABC, and as ABC rises, SMC must be greater than the ABC. Then we know the shape of TVC. TVC, it will start from 0 and it will increase. Okay, that one is the shape of the total variable cost curve. Then total variable cost equal to average variable cost into quantity. Then this is the ABC curve. Then we already studied it is in which shape? It is in U shape, and SMC curve also in U shape. First value will be more, then it will start to increase, then it will reach a minimum point, then it will start to increase. Okay, then ABC also like that. First it will be, values will be more, then it will start to decrease, then it will reach in a minimum point. In that minimum point, ABC minimum point is this one. In that minimum point, SMC curve cuts the ABC curve. Means this curve, we know this curve is going like this. Okay, this curve is going like this, and this curve is going like this, where the ABC minimum point, we know this is the minimum point of ABC. This SMC will cut the ABC. Okay, this is the main point in this one. Means SMC will always cut ABC at the minimum point. Okay, then here we can see short run marginal cost curve and average variable cost curve and short run average cost curve. Okay, then here ABC curve cut. In this diagram we can see this ABC curve cuts. ABC curve cuts the SMC at the point P. This is the point P, minimum of the ABC. There SMC curve cuts the ABC. The minimum point of the SAC curve. This is the SAC curve, short run average cost curve. The minimum point of the SAC curve is this one, S. At that point, SMC will cut SAC. Okay, then SMC curve will cut the SAC and average variable cost curve at the minimum point. Here it is the point S and point P. Okay, the minimum point of the SAC curve is S and the minimum point of the ABC curve is the P. In that point, SMC curve cut the ABC and the SAC curve. Okay. It is the intersection point of the SMC and SAC and ABC. Okay. Then to the left of the Q2, here we know this is the point Q. This is the point Q2. To the left of the point Q2, SAC falling. Here you know it is falling. Okay, it's decreasing. Left of the Q2 point is this one. Okay, this point SAC is falling. After this point only SAC is increasing. Same like that only ABC also. After point P only it's starting to increase. Okay. This is the shape of the SMC, SAC and ABC curve. Okay.